cabin crew take their positions for the safety briefing, please can we remind you, smoking, including electronic cigarettes, vaping and the use of other smoking devices is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This includes the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. Personal devices should have the flight safe mode feature enabled now. Handheld devices must be held securely or placed into a pocket. Larger devices, including laptops, must be stowed safely for takeoff and landing. Please unplug your device from the seat power sockets for takeoff and landing. They must also be unplugged when they aren't in use during the flight. If you lose your device in your seat, please don't move the seat and inform a member of crew. Hand baggage must be placed under the seat in front of you or in the overhead locker, so it doesn't block the aisles or exits. Place items in the locker carefully as they may fall out and injure someone. We ask for your full attention whilst we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft, as they may differ from any aircraft you have flown on before. Please check your seatbelt is fastened securely and worn whenever the seatbelt signs are on. It's fastened and adjusted like this and opened like this. For your comfort and safety, we recommend keeping your seatbelt fastened and visible at all times. If the cabin air supply fails, oxygen will be provided and masks like this will appear automatically. If you're wearing a face mask, please remove it before fitting the oxygen mask. Stay in your seat, pull the oxygen mask towards you and place it over your nose and mouth. Breathe normally, adjusting the band to secure it. Please note, the bag may not inflate. You may need to pull on a coloured streamer to release your mask. Ensure your own mask is fitted before helping others. Your life jacket is underneath or beside your seats. If required, remove the jacket from its container and pull it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and tie them securely in a double bow at the side. To inflate, pull the red toggle. The air can be topped up using this mouthpiece. The whistle and light can be used for attracting attention. Do not inflate your life jacket until you're outside the aircraft. Should we need to evacuate, move quickly to the closest usable exit, taking nothing with you. Low-level lighting will guide you to an exit. All exits are clearly marked and have been pointed out now. Please locate your nearest exit. Remember, it may be located behind you. Opening the doors automatically inflates the evacuation slides. High heel shoes must be taken off as they may tear the slide. Please now check that your seat is upright with the armrest down, your table folded away, personal devices unplugged, and window blinds are open ready for takeoff. Please study the safety card in your seat area before we depart. This contains important safety information, including details of the brace position. If you have any questions, please ask one of your cabin crew.
quick rear seats for takeoff.
on our way up to Manchester, I'd like to take this opportunity to add my personal welcome to you all and introduce myself. My name is Michael Chester Pernell, and it's my pleasure to be your senior crew member in charge on this short flight up to Manchester this afternoon. I'd also like to add a special welcome to those of you returning from our executive club and those of you joining us from our One World Alliance partners. It's always nice to have you back on board with us, and we thank you for your continued business and loyalty. May I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. It must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt signs are. When opening your bed lockers, please take care as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. As a reminder, smoking including e-cigarettes, vaping and the use of other smoking devices is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This includes the toilets, which are fitted with smoke detectors. We are pleased to have launched our free onboard Wi-Fi messaging service for Executive Club members to enjoy on board today's flight. To connect to BA Wi-Fi or join our Executive Club, visit shop.ba.com, where you can access free messaging and discover more offers available. In-seat power is available within your seat area and will be ready for use once the seatbelt signs are switched off. We shall shortly be starting our onboard service. If you have a food allergy or would like information on specific allergens on today's flight, please contact any member of the crew. For those of you seated in our Club Euro cabin, we will be offering you a light meat together with complimentary drinks from the bar. And for those of you seated in our Euro travelling cabin, we'll be offering you a complimentary bottle of water and a snack. Due to the short duration of this flight, our High Life Cafe service is not available. However, you can pre-order for future flights from highlifeshop.com. We invite you now to sit back, relax and enjoy this 35-minute service up to Manchester. And if there's anything myself or indeed the team can do to make your flight more comfortable, please do not hesitate.